Hi, and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by today. Today I'm going to be working on a bird collage. This is a challenge here at YouTube, Nellie and Ruth Designs, and the challenge is to use a bird. So I'm going to do something different, something I kind of had in mind, and we'll see if it works. I don't know. I've had in mind to use some children's books to do my collage. And so I've got this one. It's an Usborne Complete Fairy Tales of the Farmyard, or Book of Farmyard Tales. And it's pretty well done. I paid 49 cents for it. So I'm going to try this today and see how it turns out. I picked out this page. I like it, and then I think we'll try to get this on here somehow to make it as tall. So, first thing I need to do is cut this off. So we'll do that real quick. I don't know why I scooted that over. I need to put this on something. And I'm just going to cut it. Oops, that's the crooked side. I need to cut that side too. I need to make sure I'm not going to get any of the lettering. There we go. And I'll just cut a little bit off of this side. Okay, so then what I thought I would try, see, this just doesn't, I think I will cut this. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Just a second. I can't seem to get it out of my mouth here. I'll set this down here. Thought that if I used my Creative Memories trimmer, I might be able to make it look kind of like a hill. Okay. Excuse me. Oh, what's on the back of that? I must have got some ink on there. So I'm thinking of something like this. I cannot remember which one is the closest. I never can remember. I used to know, but I used it like daily back when I knew. This one. The red is the closest. Okay, so I gotta go up just a little bit. I don't have this straight. I gotta make this straight before I can do this, don't I? There we go. Now we'll put this on here. Okay. Now we'll see how this is going to look. I think this one needs to be on top. So I guess I need to do this one. We'll scoot it up as far as I can. Yeah, we'll see if this looks better. Yes, I think it does. And what I can do is cut that pig's paw or foot or whatever you call that. I can. Oops, not on this. I hate cutting on that. Pick this stuff up before I move on to the next. Oops, I got a piece of paper stuck to my shirt. I am heart monitor free. I got a text from the company this afternoon that my monitoring time was up and I could take it off. Ooh. My skin was reacting to it and itching really bad. So I'll stick it in the mail when I go to town tomorrow. Hopefully get it back soon. The results. Okay, let me make sure I got that. Yeah. So then, if I can't get that up. Put that like that. Of course, that doesn't look perfect, but you know, it's not going to. I kind of need to cut these two. My blade's loose. Okay, that's better. I'll glue those down. Yeah, I like that. I'll have to cut some off here. Let me get my trimmer. I'm hoping I can keep the bird and the bee, but it's not looking like it. Well, maybe I can keep a little bit. I don't think I'm... Well, that's all I'll be able to keep up it. Oops, and I gotta, but I need to cut that after I get these together and know where to cut it, don't I? Let me just see here. That's there, that's there. Make sure I got it right. Oops, it keeps moving on me. It keeps sliding. Ah. Oh, goodness. This should be good. Okay. After we get this done, that'll be the... Well, I got some other hard parts, but this is the real time consumer, I think. Yep, that works. Okay, so I think I will. Oops, I got glue on top of it. I glued that in because all this wants to do is slide around, and I was afraid it would be moving. Oops, I need to put glue under here. So what I will do is put glue along the top of this and the bottom of this one. And then we'll lay it down. I can't get hold of that. Ah, my glue's gonna dry. Okay, now let me grab my book and we'll see if that works. Put the pin back in this so it doesn't dry up on me. I might have to cut some off the bottom. Nope, I don't. I had thought about, I'll show you what I thought about, but I didn't think it was going to fit because I thought I was going to have to cut this down. So let me find, I thought about something like this, but I found the page. Maybe is this it? That would probably work. I found a good one. Thought about that one, but I don't think that one will work. Nope. This one would work good. Let's do this one. Excuse me. So I'm just going to kind of bounce the paper as I'm cutting so that it's not a straight cut. This would look really cute if I stitched all the pieces together. But my sewing machine is not where I can use it right now. I'm looking on my room. Okay, so then we put this right here. I don't have, that's got white showing. I gotta get that. There we go. Okay, let's make sure. I don't want to put this down yet because I'm going to have to cut some holes. Cut through it. Okay, and we'll put this. Again, I'm going to put glue right here. And glue right here. There we go. I think I'm going to have to cut some off of the sides. For some reason that's not as wide as the rest of them. Stick that there so I don't have to worry about it. I'll get this and see if it'll fit in this one. If not, I'll put my quilting ruler down. Which side? Oh, well, this side is crooked. So I gotta straighten that up and then straighten this side up. Oops, that didn't work very well. I don't know what that noise is. Okay, now we got that ready to go. And I'll show you the rest of the things. We've got, I think this is Mama and Dad and a kid and a kid. So first we gotta get their chicken, or their chicken. Chickens would have been cute, wouldn't it? I didn't even think of it. But I went through my birds that I have cut out, and that book has just bird heads in it. So I picked out all of the ones facing the right direction that I thought might work. And we'll get this figured out here. I think this one will be for Mom. So, get my scissors. I'm just going to cut around her collar. And for him, I'll have to cut by his finger there. And around his collar. Now it shows the back of his collar a little bit, so I'm going to come up here so I don't cut that off, but I can't get it from that angle for some reason. There we go. And I need to cut off a little bitty bit of white off there. Okay. Her, I'll have to cut around her fingers too. There we go. And then just the little boy. Alright, so Mama, I thought about this one. It's going to be too fat, isn't it? Oh, I may have pulled out some too big a ones. Oh, I don't quite know what to do about that. That one's not bad. You know what I'll do is I will just come around like this and come up like this. Is that about right? A little bit more off. That's pretty good. Okay, let's put that together. When I cut these, I left like an end on them so that I could glue them together. Okay, there's Mama, and she's stuck to my table here, so just a second. There we go. I get some of that glue off there. Okay, let me wipe the glue off my desk. Alright, now for him, I'm not sure which one. I was kind of thinking this one, but that is going to, that will look great if I get it cut down. Yes, it will. I like that one. Okay, so I'll just mimic the shape that was already there. Okay, and then I need to come around on this side. A little bit more. I've not quite got it yet. This has got to be little because of that, the way his collar is. It's got to fit in there. It's going to be a funny looking bird. Alright, I think that should work right there, like that. Oh, well, let's put him down some. So no, it's not working yet. Oh my. It's starting to look like a turkey neck. Okay, that will work right there. It kind of... There we go. Now we got it. Since I have that exactly, well I did, okay. I've got that exactly where I want it. I'm going to lift this up and put the glue on this. And I'm getting glue all over my table again. It's kind of flowing out of there real fast because I have it upside down. So I'm going to not have it upside down. Okay. I need to get it to where his finger is on. There we go. That'll work right there. Oh, this stuff just cracks me up. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's a head. Now, let's see about this for her. Yes, that is really cute. I think that's probably, I should have got I was picking out too big of ones. I did not have this one figured out very well, did I? That one I want for him. Let's try this one for her. Okay, we'll make this one work. Crack me up. But I need her fingers there. I need it like that so her fingers are up there. Now him, I want him to have this one with the wild hairdo here. I know I'm going to have to cut this one down. I gotta cut a little bit more off. I can't quite get it. There, that will work, I think. I'm going to have to cut a little bit off that side, but I'm going to go ahead and glue it down and then I'll cut it. I'm just going to come on this side. Okay, so I'll put these up. Bring that back over here. And I know that Mom is going to stand right here because she's missing her legs. So I'm going to cut into the dog. I've got too much trash over here. It's driving me nuts. Just a second. I can't stand all these scraps. Okay, there we go. Alright. So I'm just going to cut along here because I'm not sure where I'm going to end up wanting her. Ooh, that cut the dog wrong. I kind of did, but it won't show. Oops. Okay. So, I want Mom. Alright. I want Mom to be behind the dog. Like that. I want her. And I'm going to cut right here. And we're going to put her, we're going to stick her thumb. If I can get this up. Okay, we're going to stick her thumb under there. This is always difficult to me. Okay, there we go. That's how I want Mom to be. So I'm going to put a little titty bit, that's not right, itty bit. Oh my goodness. Wow. Talk about saying the word wrong. Okay, and then we've got Dad is going to be right here. The dog is between them. So that will work. And what am I? Oh, I'm moving the kid. Okay, that's okay. I don't care. He's not glued down yet. Or he's not in place yet. Okay, so, oops, I got glue up here. I'm being sloppy tonight. I hope my lighting's okay because it's getting pretty dark out. I need a drink. Not much in there. I was so embarrassed yesterday. I had to go into the hospital to get my treatment thing that I get once a month. I used to get it once a week. Now I get it once a month. It takes about a half hour. Well, I knocked over my cup to the floor, and I was like, no big deal. Took a minute to get it picked up. Well, these Awala have a rubber thing right there. It was not in there, and it spilled all over. I was so embarrassed. Okay, now I'm missing a kid. Oh, I put her back. I put him back. He doesn't have feet either, but he's gonna go, I think I'm gonna put him right there and tuck that one under there, and I'll show you what we're gonna do about his feet. So we'll put him about right there, I think. And then we'll put this one no wonder my husband didn't hear me say I'm going to record. He was outside. I thought he was in the living room watching TV. Oh, I forgot though. I want to tuck him behind the dog's nose a little bit. Not a lot, just a little. Like that. And down some. There we go. Now, to cover that up, I cut a bush out of the thing, and I thought I would just put the bush down here. Oh, oh. That right there. It's kind of buckling a little bit, but oh well. Then I have a little kitty, and the little kitty's going to be right about here. Yeah, I want it right there against the little boy. No, I kind of like it over here. Oops, I don't want to block the bunny that's there. And I wadded up the scraps from this and then realized, oh, I didn't get the duck. But we have a duck here and we have a duck here. If you know Osborne books, you know there's a duck for the kids to look for on every page. And then I have this little piggy that I was going to put up here. A little baby piggy. Whoops, that tipped over. And I have a bunny. I thought I had another bunny, but I buried it on here or something. Where'd it go? Oh, the bunny got away. Oh, that stinks. I probably pulled it out with the birds and then didn't see it and swooped it up in the trash. That's the only thing I can figure out. Well, we got one bunny to put, and I think I will put it right here. I want it kind of tucked like that. I got too much on the edges. Come on. It's either not coming out or it's kind of pouring out. Okay, so I'm going to tuck him under just a little bit, like that. Now, I don't know if I would have a saying in my little book here. Let's see. Well, one must have patience, my dear. Maybe that's what their mom's telling them about the horse. I should have looked at this before, but honestly I didn't think about it. Friendship might be good. Well, I don't know. I'm not seeing anything. What did I just see? I saw something. I don't know what it was. Oh, the beauty of this life. I kind of like that. Because I firmly believe it's the little things. A bunch of little things. Not that the big things aren't good, but... Oh, wait, I can't ink that. I haven't inked anything. Are you surprised? I'm surprised. I got so much glue on me. Now, I think I'll just put this right down here. Get my book. Yep, that's going to work just fine. Now, do I want to take this all the way over and have that edge? No, I want a little bit on each side. Whoops, 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 whoops. This paper was so easy to cut. I whipped through those people really fast. It was just really easy. I like whatever this paper is. It's very shiny. Very kind of glossy with the feeling, but made it easy to cut. Sure I've got that? Yes, I do. Okay. Where's my... That is not glued down right there. Come on. I can't get any out of it. I had it sitting there too long. Okay, I will hold this up for you to see. But I think that kind of transitions pretty well. Put the pig's ear down again. Well, thank you for joining me today. I'll have a link to Nellie and Ruth's channel for you, and I'll be seeing you soon. Have a blessed day. Bye.